Route 66, baby. Oh.
Look at Hunter and his brother
Are doing it.
together. Isn't that cute? I like the key. Let's see the key. The key.
Come on, dude, I already found it.
Oops, sorry.
We never checked oil, and it looks like it could be leaking. A little bit of
Hey, check out my hat. Look. Does it look familiar?
Hey, there you go.
Woo! We got to represent.
leaking from low. No problem.
What in the Sam heck is that?
There's no way it's cut.
Hunter, welcome to Stonehenge. Built this jail in 1860 for $3,000. Okay, this is what we call don't eat this stuff. I guess Ryan lost his phone. We went the wrong way. There's no way we're dumb enough to go on the 44. We're dumb enough. Hunter, you still mad at me?
No, I'm not mad at you.
Okay.
I'm just scared for my brother's life, not mine.
Hey, they got Zoltar. That's awesome.
Yeah, but can Zoltar
Enter Uranus.
enter Uranus? Zoltar from the old
Yeah.
pig.
Come on, Hunter. Let's see what you got.
Uranus, huh?
Fudge Factory.
Packing some fudge.
How much fudge are you gonna pack?
Oh, I don't know. 3 inches?
What are you doing there, Ryan?
I'm waiting to hear him say, welcome to his anus.
Welcome to Uranus! That was too quick.
Let me get one of the dark chocolate sandwich cookies.
One.
Yeah.
Any more chocolates pulled from Uranus, sir?
No.
Alrighty, thanks for pulling chocolates from Uranus. And just to let you know, the only way out of Uranus is through the rear by the cashiers.
You guys heard it. You heard it here. Thank you.
Next time, let me grab your nuts.
Look at all these walking sticks. If you go to Clayton's experience out in Glendale, you get to make your own walking stick. Let's see, these are 28, so 29 bucks. Yeah, you go out. Clayton, you get to make your own. Keep it for a lifetime. I'm eating some Uranus chocolate, and pretty good.
Hey, I have a rumor.
Did he say it was a pleasure packing your nuts?
It was a pleasure packing your fudge. Next time I'll pull out the chocolate by the fistful or something.
Dude, this place is awesome. There's a skeleton in the back. Hey Hunter, would you drive this?
Probably. Especially with the Uranus piece.
Yeah, heck yes.
All right, it says there's a big old belt buckle. Let's go see what all the hype's about.
Oh, this is freaky. This is a freaky bus, man. Dude, I don't know. It smells like weird people in here.
The seat just fell.
You broke the seat?
A little bit. It was going to fold back a little bit. There's an upstairs.
Heck yes. Oh, heck yes. Oh, it's even freakier.
All through the floor.
Oh, don't stand up all the way.
Wow, it is hot.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's hot up there.
It's hot. Hot as Uranus.
You're in the back of Uranus bus?
It's nice right here.
That bus hurt my anus.
Did it drive right up your anus?
Dude, it's... This is the world's largest belt buckle. That belt buckle's a real thing. Hunter's too hungry. We've got to go find food. And the diner, the Route 66 diner, is closed. Just like everything else on this trip, everything's closed. So we're gonna pop this Freddy's Virgin over here.
Heck yeah.
See what he thinks of Freddy's. I got the tater tots.
You got tater tots
Because
and
I'm
what?
12.
What's the other thing you got?
The double bacon.
I thought you were gonna go with this barbecue brisket.
He said Lambert, so I'm saving room for Lambert.
Oh, dadgummit. Dadgummit. I forgot about Lambert's. That's freaking 4 hours away, so. And then we'll wait in line for another 2 hours, so. Freddy's. Seems like every time I do a video, I should do a shout out for Freddy's. It's good though.
Are you sharing your card, Hunter? Yeah, he is. Look at him. What do you got?
I think I need to give him mine.
No,
Mine flew out of my pocket.
He is mine.
How many
Oh.
supposed to get? No, I actually do think mine flew out of my pocket.
Should have 3.
Oh, didn't you get one earlier?
So you lost your card?
I have one.
You guys gave me so many papers, I don't know what's...
You got a red card in there. Good thing you kept that.
Odds. Pick a good one.
If he pulls an ace of diamonds out of there, I'm gonna punch you.
That's not good. That is not good.
That looks like World War I type stuff there.
Pretty cool. Look at that. You could ride that thing.
If the Amish had a military.
It's a 2-seater.
It is 2-seater.
That's a Hunter and brother.
Can you
special.
imagine those sitting there with that blast coming out?
Oh my god.
Especially if it's started in the front. Yeah.
first thing is getting hit. All right, start it up. Put your fingers. Craig it.
So look how they do the corners here. You got a straight wall to a straight wall. They don't even fill the gaps.
Drop your phone again?
Yeah, sucker shattered.
Uh-oh. No trespassing. Look at that Route 66. That's cool though. So we're at an unstable bridge, Hunter.
I don't think you read the sign.
No.
I don't think you can read.
The
It
no
says,
the no entry.
trespassing. Danger.
Danger, stay off.
Injury or death.
Will most definitely occur. It's a cool bridge. Hey, that sun is getting hot, Hunter.
Yeah, it is. I can feel it when I sit down. I'm kind of jealous I need more shorts.
Did you give up that quick?
I was just looking off there.
We could drive down there to get to the water.
Makes your butt pucker a little bit when you're on this and it's 30-foot drop, 20-foot drop.
It's pretty soft down there. Let's try it.
Yeah, you push that out.
That's pretty yeah.
So we're definitely over halfway. What's your thoughts?
Hot, but it was hot. This is awesome.
Beautiful.
So green.
Pretty, right?
Yeah. Very pretty.
Way different than southern Utah.
Yeah.
Just a little. Well, that's never good. How are we supposed to get over there? Ryan's gone to investigate though. We'll see. So we're gonna try and go through here where it's closed. I don't know what we're doing. So leave it to Ryan to try the equipment while he's here.
You never know.
What do you think about that? Hunter's texting. Hunter's always texting or FaceTiming. So we came to the famous Munger Moss Motel.
Why is it so famous?
I don't know. I guess it's been here a long time. Looks like the pool is not in service.
It looks like it's concreted in.
Yeah. I don't think we can swim there anymore. Oh crap, you lost a passenger. Yep.
Hey,
There's Tyler.
Lebanon brings back some memories.
Oh yeah?
So I might have kissed a girl here when I was 16.
Was she your cousin?
Thank goodness not this time. Only the ones in Nevada
not
and Utah.
this time. Wow.
There's a story behind that.
Wow. Yeah, that's for another time. Check this sign out.
You don't know why
We
it's
need to
famous?
we need to get a sticker put on this thing.
You got one of the stickers?
And you
'Kay.
passed them illegally.
You did not see what these guys did.
Thankfully.
Okay, they were in the lead.
See?
I know, I had just turned the camera off, literally. And then the next thing I know is I see you heading for the trees. These guys are off the road at 55 miles an hour. Hunter's on the back. Typically, the freaking bike shoots out from under him. How that didn't happen, I don't know. And you freaking saved it and pulled it back on.
Don't know how.
Were you freaking? Because I was freaking.
Yeah.
I'm back there thinking I'm going to watch the death of the two of them.
It's a lot easier to turn with one person than it is with two.
Oh my gosh.
I got some of it.
When we about died?
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna die.
Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't think we were gonna die.
Hunter thinks we're crude.
These people in Missouri, they are a different breed. Every sign
Is
freaking crude and hilarious. Very
took
good marketing, really.
You took a picture of it.
I did. It's good marketing.
And he liked the fudge people.
Makes me want to go bowling.
All right, well, we're gonna go see a museum real quick.
Heck yeah.
So my family actually founded one of the small towns just north of town here on my mom's side. So I have some history in Missouri, which I didn't know about.
That's cool.
Well, that's awesome. Look at the old gas pumps.
And the metal cans that you had to puncture.
Yeah, I remember those.
That's freaking awesome.
I wonder how many gas station or pump stations were along the route.
There had to be a bunch because
Just
those
everywhere.
things didn't do very good on gas.
Yeah. And the old maps. That's awesome.
If you know how to read a map, raise your hand.
Hey, that's would have been Hunter and Clayton.
Is that the bridge?
After they wrecked.
That's it. That's the Hazel Green Bridge. We were just there. Ryan walked out to here and said, nope, and came back.
Yeah.
So there was no one he would dial or whatever.
Yeah, they would dial the operator, and the operator would take those little wires and connect you to whatever room.
Whoever you need. Yeah.
That's what my grandma did for years and years.
Yeah,
Sat at
mine
a
too.
board.
Yeah, switchboard operator.
Yep.
And they could listen in on your call.
They would listen in.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
What'd you find?
Bonnie and Clyde.
Bonnie and Clyde.
Bonnie and Clyde.
How you feeling about these, Hunter?
Oh, I'm not worried about
Do you think he thinks he's gonna get this thing fired up?
Hook that somewhere down
I'd
there,
love to.
down there.
Sure. How about that?
Sure.
Does that do okay?
Yep.
How was it?
It was fun. It was a blast.
Was it worth coming out for?
It was.
Good.
Yep. I don't know if I'll say that on the drive back.
It was worth 16, not 32.
Right.
What? Was it worth coming out for?
It was worth it.
So,
really pretty out
so
here.
16 hours was worth it. So here's the question: is 32 hours worth it?
No.
All right, so we're heading into Buc-ee's because Ryan hopes that they have a phone repair shop in there.
I know they don't, but I think that's $1 million idea. I'm wishing they did right about now because I'm hearing my phone go off. I just can't see the screen.
He knows somebody's trying to contact him. He just doesn't know why, who, how, when. So we did this collect poker cards, and you guys both got a pair of 10s.
It's nothing really.
I started out with an ace of clubs. I was so excited, and then I just got nothing.
I got a pair of 10s, 6 high.
Oh, because he has a joker. You had a pair of 10s, 8 high.
Fun, my friend said.
Ooh, Hunter wins.
Fun and legal.
Hunter
I don't know
wins.
though. Clayton had two kings.
And then Cheater over here had 3 6s, but he rode to the dealer for a little while. So.
And then the dealer did this to Caden.
Might as well get a lot.
Well,
So we're gonna throw a roll.
we're tired. Hunter got something in his eye. We tried to flush it out. We're gonna have to pray for Hunter. Hashtag pray for Hunter. Because his eye. Yep, sorry. We're gonna need lots of prayers for Hunter's eye. That's a drop. It's pretty. End of a good ride, good day. Now we'll get some food. All right, Hunter, how was your food?
That was delicious. I took took Ryan's advice. Me and him. Usually I'm a hamburger guy.
Yeah, me too. I was gonna just get a hamburger.
Was it okay or
It was solid. That was pretty good.
I mean, as a meat guy, steak, you can't go wrong. I just have that down-home feeling sometimes, you know?
They had the chicken and dumplings. I had the pot roast. It was good.
I will say though that the cucumbers and onions,
Not as good as normally.
more sweet and vinegary. I like the vinegary.
It's broken. Like that's gonna help.
No, you didn't need to help us.
Hey, did you find my key?
No.
Dude.
You lost your key already.
Already.
Oh, wait, here we go.
Are they getting a run at it?
Well, they better. They're going a little slow.
Hit one on your side.
What the?
Ah, they had 3 people helping, so it worked. Dang
Love
it.
how we just stood around and not.
Well, yeah. I mean, I was doing something. I was filming.
So my cat, let me clarify.
Your
My
cat?
daughter's cat
Molested their truck.
got in, yeah.
Look at the console.
Well, she left her mark.
She did. She was trying to sneak some jerky, that little turd nugget.
All right, we're getting in Ryan's car.
Woo!
I don't know, there's a lot of extra weight here, so we'll see.
Fatties. Holy! That's impressive. So what are you in right now then?
Alright, we're in sport mode, Sport Plus. My seatbelt locked up a little bit. I don't even have mine on. Oh my god. It wouldn't have mattered.
No. That was wild. That fast. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. What do you think, bud?
That's actually insane.
Holy moly.
What do you think?
That is awesome.
Alright, now it's my turn.
Oh boy.
Oh.
Here you go, Clayton.
Oh yeah.
That'll set you back in your seat. Alright, here we go for the launch. Alright. Thank you.
Glad you didn't pee yourself.
I need to go scrape my leg now.
What do you think?
Dude, that is sick.
It doesn't look like it's got
No.
that much.
That's He's gonna die in that thing.
He might. The way he drives, yeah.
If someone would pulled out, there's nothing you could do.
We passed the GPS guy.
Where's he going? Oh, dude.
He's got to go get his phone fixed.
Here, this is still rolling.
It's full. It's spilled out all over the place.
Heck yeah.
It's gonna say, you come to Uranus, you gotta eat fudge.
Food here too?
I know a guy named Fab that might fit.
Oh, we can't put that in. I'll have to bleep that out. Is he coming over? Oh, right where that mobile sign is where he is. What'd you drop?
My seat.
Did it scare you?
Well, how am I gonna? How does this come off the front?
It's not supposed to come off.
Yeah, I tried to stick the knife in the the ignition. It wouldn't work.
Well, that's not good.
Sorry.
It won't turn on.
See the screen?
You just have to go like this, Ryan. Go. Doing. That ain't going nowhere. Well, that one is.